It's really sticky down there. We got a sticky situation down here. Something in here. I'm gonna wash them real good anyway, so it's not much of a problem. But it's kind of dirty down there. I think this is right. Okay. Now I got all the. Wait a minute. Oh, this one. There's all the windows and stuff. Okay, I gotta work on the garden a little bit with all the trees and stuff. So this tree with the black sausage parts. Wow, interesting bonuses I'm getting out of all this. I got black sausage part. I think it's facing this way or that way. It's supposed to be. I don't know. Just put it this way. The sausage. Very interesting. Very ergonomic design and everything. Okay, I'm supposed to have one more of the where's all the leaves? The leaves are gone. Okay, I'm missing some leaves down here. The brown. What color is this? I don't know. Maybe it's all on top of the tree. So let's just move along to the next page. Oh, this actually is the second floor. Okay, just making sure everything is inside this building. The bookshelf, staircase, and some computer or the cash counter, cash registry, or the door opens up and shuts. Good enough. I've never had this part before either. This is a new part for me. I touched something that I shouldn't touch. And is that the? Which one is it? Which one is it? Which one comes first? The black fences and all. Where are all the black fences? This one looks like a rooftop or something. Oh, this one? Like this? The dark green chair. So this one looks like a second floor. There's all the tiles and the... Okay. This old man is sitting in a comfy chair or recliner, having a cup of tea. The warlock or the clock. Okay, let's just put this dump it on top of this building right here. There's no there's a little empty space that's connected with the bottom of this. Okay, so people can come here. That's a little unimaginable. And I'm taking this opportunity. I'm getting lots of dark red slope for the rooftop building structure, which is going to be quite helpful while building. And this just came off from somewhere. Could be from here. Okay, so this is the rooftop structure. Just, there's no opening. There is an opening here. I can open it from this way. This one goes on top to the front. Maybe this. No, this one. No. No. This one little thing goes on top here. Another one goes here. Lots of real estate buildings these days. I need one more in the back area. And over here. And another one. The reddish brown brick part. Okay, almost completed. What about the back area? What about the back area? The bed. And the chameleon is kind of hiding in here. Oh, I didn't realize the chameleon was here. But I got the chameleon. Thanks to the honest seller. I really appreciate that. Okay. So just put this on. Oh, this is the backwards. So over here. And so look at the back area. This one. Oh, wait. Ah, all I have to do is just put this on the back. And still some part missing right here, which goes. Now wait a minute. And this part goes here. Okay. One building is completed, except the tree. The tree is a little bit complicated here with the tree, but this leaf, there's 3 major leaves up in the tree. This one's supposed to have whatever. It's kind of mixed. Okay, now let's compare it. The one on the bottom is supposed to have okay, it's kind of mixed up. Let me show. This twig has the little blue bird, and everything is there. The lime leaf. And this is supposed to have. Okay, everything's kind of mixed up. I'm gonna make it right. This procedure is kind of important for the inventor check as an inspection. So I'm gonna check on this, and the lime goes here, and the orange kind of goes here, and that one's completed. The next one is it goes I guess all the way to the top here. Orange one, yellow one, another yellow one. And let's get this off. And the second twig comes to the front, is with the olive green smaller plant with the lime leaf, and 2 yellow leaves and 1 orange leaf. And the last one has supposed to have 2 yellow leaves and 1 orange, just like this. And on the bottom there's dropped leaves around the bottom, so that completes it. Okay, nothing's missing, which is just as I have imagined. So that's the instruction booklet number 1. I can understand why they did it, because it's like 2 different sets of modular buildings, just like a modular, what modular set is all about, just like the pet shop. And now this is a bookshop. All of a sudden it kind of looks like they made a release of the bookshop. Maybe the pet shop, the people kind of missed it. For the people who missed it, there's a bit of a sticky area down here. I'm gonna wipe it clean with my rag later, but that's really bad. But okay, let's get to work on the basement down here with all the leather. Oh, this way. Okay. To the front. in the back area, all the staircases and the little tiny door. Yeah, I don't think I can actually use this door. I can't get inside. But even the minifigure cannot get inside here either. It's almost useless. Oh, here's a little pumpkin piece that I've never owned. It's nice to have this. Oh, there's actually two plants in the back area. And this guy's holding it. Or... there's only one plant in the back. There's supposed to be two plants. With a flower bed and all. There's only one. Yeah, it's missing. There has to be two flower beds because the instruction booklet says so. Two plates. That's weird. But okay, I'll just put it this way. The scissors and the radish, what do you call it? The rat trap is there. The bag is here. Let's put it this way. Just like the instruction. Some kind of ladder. This one is okay. So in the back area, one plant is missing, which is a rare part for me. I've never gotten that part either. And there, let's have a look. The Lego news. She's reading a newspaper. And all the teapot. Oh wow, look at this. Teapot. Wow. I think I don't know, Ghost and the Beast and the Ghost, the Beast and the Beauty and the Beast. Yeah, that's a looks almost complete now. And hey, there's a little staircase, empty space. Oh, I don't know. Okay. So I can't even open it, but there's something over here. It just came off. And inside there's all the bottles and looks like a cabinet shelf. So everything is in there. The blue and how do I open it? Once I close it, I cannot reopen it. I can't reopen it with my finger. So the the map on the wall looks like is that a bed that people can actually lie flat on the, that's a balcony room or something, just like in Australia. Oh, here's a little room door. Oh, it's from the lower floor. Okay, lots of doors and doors and doors. So slightly different from that pet shop. It was more simpler and have easy access and all that, but this one is a bit tiny, too small actually. Yeah, too small to be building structure. Maybe someday I will do a mock or make a creation of a much bigger modular building with much easy access with the thick finger like mine in a much wider way, just like, you know, the Doctor Hospital style. But anyway, here's a little teacup. Teacup is sitting on top of this shelf. Is that normal? Maybe not. Why is it sitting on top of the shelf? Teacups, there's about, how many teacups are there? 2 teacups on the table. Yeah, 2 teacups on the table, and a newspaper, and a teapot. And this lady's supposed to come off, but as I mentioned all the time, like when I try to get the minifigure off from the chair always comes along. So, just not good. Okay, let me just put the chair down. Oh, there's actually one more chair. There has to be one more chair. There's only one chair, but there's two chairs. And the bottom. Okay, I think this one. And there's no reason to not to have a chair. Okay, next thing I have to do is just put this on the. This is the level, the ground level, and I'm just going to put it on this way. And if I open the door, I can kind of see inside. So this is the second building with the lamppost, which has what bottom? No, this one's supposed to have. Okay, where's the lamp area? Funny enough. Okay. This shows dark bluish gray, and there's a white one. This is kind of funny because it's all mixed up, and maybe I got the wrong color combination, but there's no dark bluish gray. Here. This is crazy. It's got all mixed up with the wrong parts. Where is that dark bluish gray? So I don't know about this. And let's go over to the second floor. It's kind of looking like this. 107. Wow. And is this? Okay, kind of. This is not one of those, what do they call it? Not much of a gimmick here, but I don't know why this is built this way. So show that doesn't have to move like that. There's a little dwarf guy hiding in the attic. Attic it is, yeah, this one looks kind of like attic. Well, the front part is good. So I can just put this on top. Let's get this little guy out. Have a look inside the build. Something's. Let's have a look inside the building. With the bed and everything. So the bed and table. It doesn't really show the tables. How do I build? Okay, this is what it looks like inside the building. Okay, all I have to do is just put this on top right here. It's quite dusty on the right there, and in the back, kind of looking like this. And the last part is this one, all completed already. And a new design of the fence I got. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh. Yeah, I don't want to blame the designer all about this. But this is a bit funny. Okay. Work it out. We can work it out. We can work it out. That's it. Simple as that. Oh, the rooftop chimney. I got the chimney. And that's what it looks like. Move it forward to the front. Now let's check on the minifigure inventory. Got a lady here, crazy hairstyle, and the hair is also something new for me. This guy is holding some books and flowers. If I open this up, once upon a time it says books, little kid, an old man with the red t-shirt. Got about 6 minifigures, and there's a leftover stuff. Let's check on the minifigures first. So in the next modular building, I got a kid with the muffler, lime muffler, and the crazy hair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there are 6 minifigures down there. And there's this like lady with the brown jacket, the old man with the red t-shirt. There's another guy with the shirt, with the red shirt with the tie. And where's this guy coming from? It's a mystery. This guy. Anybody recognize this guy? Did I get it from? I don't know. This guy's not supposed to be here. I'm just gonna look it up on the Bricklink website, and I don't recognize him from the inventory. This guy has is that a dark azure shirt, flower shirt? That's pretty much what it looks like. Torso, dark azure. Torso. A flower pattern. I can easily find it. Right? No. This is definitely is a dark azure. Torso flower. Or the torso with the flower. In dark azure color. But it doesn't say anywhere. Can't find it. Alright. I'm gonna pause the video for now. And I'm looking up on the Bricklink website. Okay, I found him. It was on the bottom of the list. Probably a new one. Okay, dark azure torso, Hawaiian shirt open with white flowers over white undershirt pattern, dark azure arms, yellow hands, and this minifigure belongs to 8 sets. And I can't find a modular set, but there is a townhouse pet shop and cafe. This one looks pretty much like a modular, but it's not a modular. Alright, might wanna bring my camera over. It's a pain in the ass. I have to do this again. I touch it with my dirty hands. Down there is the Palace Cinema, so I gotta be careful. I don't know where to put my tripod, but let's see if I can work it out. Okay, so I looked it up. I gotta magnify the screen a little bit. Okay, I kind of looked him up on the Bricklink website, and so it was this guy. This guy came out of nowhere. I couldn't find him in any of the modular sets that I've received today. This guy. So I tried searching for this torso. Is a Hawaiian shirt with the flower pattern in the dark azure torso. So that one exactly. That one, yeah, correct. Is that correct? Is that dark azure color? It looks almost like blue color. But it's a Hawaiian shirt with the white flowers. Well, let's double check with the minifigure stuff. 8 minifigures. That looks a bit thicker, but I can find this guy right here. That kind of matches up. I've identified this guy. The right here, dark blue pants and hips and a dark red cap. This guy, where does he belong? One set, which is another creator set, 31097. So it has nothing to do with the transition that I've made. This guy has just been thrown in as a mistake. Is that another Bill Murray down there? So this one building, I haven't seen this building in his house, but somehow this guy's hot dog seller just came along together. So this guy's not supposed to be here. All right, let's go back to my work down there. Let me just throw him down and just wait. I gotta work my tripod once again to get it shortened all the way down. So this guy is kind of like a bonus. So I got 5 minifigures. I feel so itchy in my arm. Let me put this aside. Double buildings. So that's still this one. Something's missing. And 5 minifigures with the. All right, let's have a look at these guys. This guy's, especially this guy holding the book or something. Where does this guy belong? Okay. I see. In the instruction booklet, there's a little kid with the airplane. So he's probably playing. The airplane gets stuck in the tree, and this guy's holding the flower, holding the book. There's this lady. Extra stuff. So that pretty much shows the minifigure. And here the old man and the old lady house. So that completes the stuff. So all these belong there. Now the extra parts are umbrella. I don't know what this is. Some plate part and some brick wall parts. I don't know where they come from. This is a minifigure, a bamboo stick, and all these. Look at this camera. I think I dropped the camera somewhere. I think all these are extra parts still. And I need them. Okay, let me get my camera off. Ooh, look at that. The thing is that wait, I gotta check on the. Okay, I'm back. With the help from the Bricklink website and all the instruction booklet, I have found out where all the extra parts are supposed to go. These flower stuff supposed to go into that building right behind the cash counter registration. Oh, somewhere in there. Right there. So I'm gonna stick it like a flower bouquet. Yeah. And the next one. And the next one. Okay. And the other stuff, like a bamboo, I've already put the another bamboo that's been floating around over this area. It was supposed to be here, and one of the cone in trans black color was supposed to be here, and another some bottle, the cone stuff. This it's kind of a decoration supposed to be there, and other stuff like umbrella is actually held by this lady. And what was the extra stuff? Camera is for this lady who was playing synthesizer or something. Overall, I got pretty much everything organized. Let's put it back. Put it all back. This is the rooftop. Oh, it's still moving. Oh, I broke with the chicken. Okay, the chicken goes here. Now okay, now let's have a look at the building structures one by one and find out what's missing. There has to be dark bluish gray plate down here, and on top of it, this one goes on top of it. And I need another one of that with the dark bluish gray plate and this one that's supposed to go on top here. So that's the only thing missing. Other than that, everything is down here. 6 minifigures with the black car and all the fences and the lamp light fixture. It's good. 99.5, 99.9, 99.9 completed. Only except the parts that supposed to get stuck on the top of the building as a decoration. Big decoration stuff. It is a big deal though to me. I found the white croissant right there. And I don't know, other than like I think everything is in here for the Parisian restaurant. 5 minifigures with the some extra parts like these, but I cannot use it on top of there. So this is just I'll just consider it to be an extra parts. I think for the Parisian restaurant everything is there. I can't find anything that's missing.